supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah.
Not another speeding ticket. I'll fight it in court, but I don't think they're gonna accept gotta go fast as a medical condition.
A lost child, oblivious to the never-ending sea of despair.
Go away, Amy. I'm not in the mood. Eggman! We've got a brand new Bjorn Sklargen.
Did I ever tell you about the time I got a... He's only the second most popular character in the whole canon!
Come on, guys! Wait for me!
It's hungry!
Yeah, let's, feed it a chili dog. Everyone loves chili dogs.
I don't think he can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
A use for my ballot stuffing robot.
We're never getting into this.
Stuck it.
Clearly mistaken Tails for a lemon.
Don't worry about her. She'll pass out from the pain soon.
He can't kill me.
Get in the hedgehog harness.
Oh, look at the time.
Mustache care and maintenance.
I gotta chop my arm off.
Oh, please don't cut me, Knuckles.
I'm sorry, we're closed.
I've never felt so free.
Fire!
Oh, no, he didn't!
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
Nice to meet you. She seems nice.
My baby!
I bet
Wearing pants.
Fine.
he's plotting to kill me.
I got this.
You eat popcorn when you're depressed, too?
A bruise like a delicate peach. Tainted victory is mine. Pizzazz.
Pizza!
Gosh, you're cute.
You dreamed you were being chased by a giant sock puppet.
Yeah! Kill it with fire! Grab claws connected to the trap jaw. Trap jaw's connected to the scoop maw. Scoop maw's connected to the positively charged resistor coupling.
And action!
And only mildly damaging to my kidneys.
Brought to you by lead-based paint and asbestos, the perfect combination for your baby's nursery.
He got hit in the head by too many horseshoes.
He piffed it!
Do you love it?
I do.
Oh,
The producers are telling me that I don't get paid if we don't finish this show. So let's move on to round 2.
Want to do something foolish?
That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
I was expecting some kind of complication.
I gotta water my cat. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
it was a tiny bite, but it gave me this crazy dream.
Ha! Oh, knock it off! Stop it! Ow! Ow! Anarchy, baby! Woo! Oops, one too many.
See?
Is trash canny a word?
I think PuppyCon is a fuzzy puppy fan convention. Way to ruin New Year's, dude.
I gotta fire my agent.
Your paperclip necklace pleases me. And you'll never want for comfy blankets again!
Lightning phobia pile.
Shot putting tails across your living room.
I work in the fast food industry.
We're awesome role models.
Approved.